Hello, my friends. My name is Steve Munive with Steve Munive Yacht Sales, and my goal is to help you find a boat, sell your boat, or share my knowledge on anything boating. Let's get into the news. There's really only one piece of news today, since it's the weekend. There is no stock updates for the industry, and all the articles that I went over yesterday have not populated for today, so we'll do that tomorrow. But I noticed that the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission sent out some restrictions, and everybody's starting to write about it now. I found a little piece of video. It's only 2 minutes or less. Let's watch it.
Florida wildlife officials have new rules for people that are going out on the water this weekend, so here they are. Boaters, you need to stay 50 feet apart at all times. Boats cannot have more than 10 people on board. NBC2's Megan Miller is live at the Cape Coral Club boat ramp this morning with how Lee County deputies are going to be enforcing these rules today.
Sandbars.
Well, Michael, right when you get to the boat ramps here at the Cape Coral Yacht Club, you'll see these signs. They've got some important reminders that you just mentioned, and these are now restrictions that the FWC and the Sheriff's Office will be enforcing. No more than 10 people on one boat. No tying up boats together. No being on those sandbars or islands that are supposed to be closed right now. Now, of course, you also have those new restrictions that you have to be at least 50 feet apart from any other boat if you are going to be out on the water. We talked to a CETO captain.
Hold on. What about big yachts that have yacht tenders? If they're towing their own boat, excuse me, officer, but that's my boat. You know, like what? That'd be an interesting case. Or they'll give you the ticket because you've got a dinghy, which is pretty much another boat, on the platform of your boat. No, I'm just making a joke here. I'm sure they don't care
about social distancing while still out on the water.
The biggest thing to remember is just use common sense.
Use common sense.
Don't hang out at sandbars. Don't hang out, multiple boats rafted off one another.
Nope.
This weekend, as we always are, but this weekend specifically, we are going to be out in full force.
With full masks and everything.
Now, you heard it from the Sheriff's Office. Deputies will be out in full force. So will FWC, enforcing these new restrictions. Of course, even though some of these boat ramps are still open, the public beaches are closed. So
safe, guys.
A big rule to remember, you
Be
cannot
safe.
be on these public beaches. You can't be tying up together. They really just want you to avoid gathering in big groups. And today, they'll be enforcing that. I'm live in Cape Coral, Megan Miller, NBC.
Thank you, Megan. Okay, we are good. So that's it. Stay safe, please. My name is Steve Munive with Steve Munive Yacht Sales, and my goal is to help you find a boat, sell your boat, or share my knowledge on anything boating. You can always connect with me through phone, email, or any of my social media channels. I will see you on the water. You've earned it. That was good.